Hey guys, it's Jordan from BlackboxMyCar, and today we're bringing you a review of the new Thinkware FA200 IRC. IRC stands for infrared camera, and this is Thinkware's response to the massive increase in demand for equipment to protect fleet and rideshare operators. This is an exclusive camera that can only be found here at BlackboxMyCar. You don't have to worry about heat with this dual camera system, since it has operating temperatures ranging from 14 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and storage temperatures between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, this entry-level system can even handle a 128GB micro SD card, meaning you won't lose a second of valuable video or audio from your new Silent Witness. The interior-facing camera's 720p doesn't sound mind-blowing, but the numbers don't tell the whole story. After testing this unit extensively here at the office, I can personally attest to the cameras catching every detail of my colleague's reaction to nearly being T-boned by a late-night distracted driver. Design. At a glance, this is clearly a Thinkware product, and that's not a bad thing. They have a winning design formula and they know how to put together a good-looking dashcam that isn't going to draw the wrong kind of attention. The light gloss of the case and the dimensions mean the FA200 IRC looks incredibly well blended between a windshield and a rearview mirror. Ergonomic buttons make manual recording and connecting to Wi-Fi a breeze. Video quality. The FA200's front-facing and interior-facing cameras both have a 140-degree viewing angle and record at 30 frames per second. The front-facing camera boasts a 2.12-megapixel Sony Exmor sensor and records at 1080p. And the interior camera has an infrared enhanced 1.1 megapixel Pixel Plus sensor that records at 720p. As noted earlier, the technical specifications only tell us a part of the story. Bang for your buck, the quality exceeds expectations at every turn. This system is designed as the perfect silent witness for the inside of your car. The viewing angle of the infrared camera allows for perfect visibility in the front for the driver and the passenger, but more importantly, there is great visibility for the rear of the cabin. Notable features. Although Wi-Fi in dashcams is slowly becoming a standard, price point still plays a big part in whether it's included or not. Thankfully, the FA200 IRC has it built in. Wi-Fi turns out to be quite handy the feature, as it lets you take advantage of the Thinkware Cloud mobile app. You have the ability to control parking mode, file storage prioritization, and access recorded material, which is stored in easy-to-download 1-minute clips. While inside the app, you even have the ability to see which files you have downloaded and to delete them off your phone. It isn't a world-changing feature, but it is a prime example of how Thinkware peppered their system with little details to make using their products as easy as possible. Parking mode. This is where the FA200 IRC really flexes its value for money. First and foremost is the time-lapse mode, which record video clips at 2 frames per second. The second is energy-saving mode, which cuts both the battery and memory consumption. This mode functions by putting the camera to sleep and awakening it only when the G-force sensor senses an impact. The greatest advantage of this is the massive length of time before the low voltage cutoff kicks in. However, there is no video recording prior to triggering the event. The final parking mode is the industry standard motion detection, which works in an always-on state and records the moments just before the event of motion or impact. Although the availability of the other two modes is present, motion detection parking mode recording is still the best option to ensure important footage is captured. To get the most out of parking mode, we highly recommend a 128GB micro SD card and a Cellink Neo battery pack. Take a look at the link in the description for more information on the Cellink Neo. Verdict. As a dual-channel system at the intersection of quality and budget, you can't go wrong with the FA200 IRC. The mobile application has incredible functionality built into it, and the video recording features are superb. The outstanding infrared camera quality and the faultless front-facing camera ensure that day or night, you have a silent witness protecting your investment in ways you have never experienced before. The only way to make this package better is a second FA200 for the rear window and a Cellink Neo to make coverage absolute.
Thank you for watching our video. We have so many dashcam options at BlackboxMyCar. Please come check us out on social media for the latest updates, contests, as well as upcoming dashcam news. Comment if you have any questions, and if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.